Choosing the right wall color combinations for your living room walls. It's essential for setting the tone and ambience of your space. The colors you select its harmony with your living room furniture can make the room feel warm and inviting. Calm and sun or lively or energetic. In this video, I will show the highlight and importance of selecting the perfect wall color combinations, how they can transform your living room. I will showcase specific color combinations with including how they complete various living room furniture pieces to inspire you and provide of practical tips to creating stylish and comfortable living area. So friends, color psychology is a colors influence emotions and behaviors, and interior design using the knowledge help to create space that evoke desire of feelings and making room feels either to the more inviting, relaxed or energetic. And colors in your living room can shape the atmosphere. Warm tones like brown and beige create a cozy, inviting space, while cool tones like blues offer to the calming effect. The right combination can enhance the room overall appeal and functionality. So, friends, examples of colors and their typical psychological effect. Beige is a warm and inviting and creating cozy ambience. Blue is the calm and sense and perfect for modern and relaxing environment. Dark grey and black, it's bold and sophisticated, adding to the dramatic touch. Light grey and white, it's airy and spacious, offering to the sense of backdrops. Soft pink and green, it's cozy and inviting, it's enhanced the warmth and comfort. Navy blue is the elegant and stylish, provide to the classic and sensible. So a classic combination of beige walls paired with the dark brown furniture adds offer to the timeless and sophistication look. This palette balances the natural of beige with richness of dark brown, creating warm and inviting atmosphere. And plants added to the greenery of fresh lively touch to your living rooms. And artworks choose a piece that complete that natural palette. Lightning go for the warm lightning for the beige or brown shades. And blue walls paired with the brown and grey furnitures. Adds create modern and sophistication look. The blue offer of calming effect, while brown added to the warm and grey enhance the contemporary vibe. And you just choose one select of art piece. It will be look of natural your home. Go for sleek and metallic features. This combination is create stylish and sense of living rooms. And dark grey or black, this walls inspired with the earthy tone furniture create industrial chic aesthetic that is a both bold and sophistication. The light rocks of Britain of the space with the light colored rocks. And metallic accessories and elegance with the metallic lamps or frames. This combination of it to the striking and balanced industrial chic living rooms. Light and airy and subtle hues, the light grey or white walls paired with the soft pastel furnitures create light and airy atmosphere, perfect for sense and spacious living room. So simple piece that completely the pastels and airy fabrics of curtains and cushions. The combination of it to the smoothing and spacious living room perfect for the relaxation. Soft pink or beige walls paired with the green and mustard accents, it's create cozy and inviting atmosphere. So the combination of soft pink or beige walls